Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tea English full guide. Start by selecting a robust black tea and fresh water, ideally filtered. Heat water to a full boil, then pour over leaves or a tea bag in a warm pot. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on strength preference, then strain or remove the bag. Add milk or sugar sparingly and stir gently before serving. For best results, preheat your teapot with hot water to maintain temperature during brewing. Measure tea accurately, 1 teaspoon per cup or 1 tea bag each, and pour boiling water straight onto the leaves. Set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes based on desired strength and resist the urge to squeeze the bag. Pour the brewed tea into cups and add milk or sugar gradually until the taste feels balanced and pleasant. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum will upgrade your clean game after tea spills, with voice control and smart navigation that handles crumbs and loose leaves effortlessly. It's a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax and enjoy a fresh cup. Now let's get back to the video. Serve tea in warmed cups to preserve temperature and taste while drinking. Offer milk and sugar on the side so guests can customize their cup, and advise adding milk after pouring to control strength. Pair tea with biscuits, scones, or light sandwiches for a classic experience, and enjoy smaller sips to appreciate the aroma. Clean cups and a simple tea tray enhance the ritual and make the moment feel special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.